We're here tonight for the opening of EXPO. We installed the show last week. It was really exciting, and tonight we get to meet the artist and see the work up on the walls. Hey!
Hi!
How'd your show go?
Oh, it was good. I mean, it was low-key, so. Here at 500X to take a look at the work for EXPO. All the work's been delivered. We're going to place it tonight and get ready for the show next week. This artist is from Oaxaca.
Hi, I'm Ana Victoria Garcia. I'm from Oaxaca. I'm 20 years old. This is the painting I'm exhibit at the 500X. It's called Entre el cielo y la tierra. And it's about the nature that I've been observing here and about life and death.
A lot of the art's larger than I expected, but it looks good. I thought these went together really well as a grouping because they're small. Wow, that one's really big.
Yeah, it is.
This one's much larger than I expected. It looks good though.
I'm Willie Dave. I'm a visual artist from DFW. This painting was inspired by the fact that black men don't, when they get to a certain age, they don't take professional pictures with their best friends. So I wanted this to be just a representation of brotherly love, of it's okay to show and express a love like that to one another.
It's always a joy organizing an exhibition, especially group shows like this. Discovering visual and thematic connections between the different artists and their works. That's what it's all about.
Hi, my name is Monica Barrera, and I love to weave. Here is one of my weavings. I really like thinking about different emotions and joyful moments that I can capture in my weavings, using color and different techniques and texture, including like coziness and just those general good fuzzy emotions.
The art in this show ran the range from abstract to pop, craft-oriented to identity-based works. There's the challenge, getting it all to hang together, and sometimes just getting it to hang on the wall, period.
You get to see me struggle with the big one.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. All right.
I'm Lauren. This is my piece Genesis. It was part of my senior thesis. I focus on growing up queer in like a southern Texas town, especially like a small conservative Texas southern town. I focused it on two very important people in my life that I really have very genuine bonds with, that I experienced things with them firsthand, that we grew up together, we experienced a lot of weird things going on, and I just wanted to focus on really specific experience growing up in Texas, very obviously queer, very obviously very close to each other, and very obviously very emotional.
My daughter Lilac jumped in to help on the installation. She was really learning fast. And before you know it, the work was up on the wall.
It was nice to see all of the different artists there, and I could feel like that I was becoming a part of the artist scene in Dallas.
My name is Ashley Witt, and I'm the current president of 500X. We are the longest artist-run gallery in the state of Texas, possibly in the United States. This is actually our 45th year of existing. We started in 1978. It's been passed down through generations of artists. Randall Garrett has been an artist, curator, and gallery owner on the scene since 1992 when he joined 500X Gallery as a member artist. In 1993, he graduated from the University of North Texas with an MFA in sculpture and painting and drawing. In 1998, he curated 20 by 500, the 20th anniversary exhibition of 500X. He opened Plush Gallery in 2000, which won the Best of Gallery awards from the Dallas Observer in 2001 and 2002. Garrett has had 25 solo exhibitions, along with numerous performances and curated projects. It is such an honor to have a former 500X member, somebody who carried the torch for many years and then passed it on. Thank you so much, Randall, for jurying the show and for being here with us tonight. So I'll just pass it over to him.
Hola, buenas noches. Bienvenidos a todos los artistas participantes y también a quienes presentaron sus obras. Congratulations to all of the artists who are participating tonight. I wanted to thank Ashley and Derek and all the board members at 500X. They're really doing something special that this space has continued for 45 years now. It's pretty amazing. It's gone through so many changes, and I love how it reflects the current times. Very different than when I was a member 25 years ago. So thanks to all of you as well. And please be sure to support 500X. It's well deserving of your time and attention.
That piece is I'm gonna hang it, float it off the wall.
There's just a few artists that I wanted to kind of mention before we announce the award winner. And if you're here when I call your name, please raise your hand so that people can see who you are. Ana Victoria Garcia Martinez. Ana. Juan Chavez. As all of these kind of competitions go, you have to ultimately choose one artist. So the choice was not really just based on one work, but on kind of like a whole body of work that was created. The artist that I was drawn to was an artist whose work reflects a regional sensibility. So the winner of the EXPO 2023 award goes to Brett Reese. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all the artists.
So my name is Mateus de Siqueira. I'm a Brazilian-born artist. This is my piece, C&D. I work primarily in multimedia, but also 35 millimeter, as well as large format photography. I love individual moments of humanity and just interaction and moments of intimacy, things like that, and that's why I try to primarily center my work around.
Very much queerness is like a drug for me, as it kind of puts me in a state of calmness as well as just resolution that's not really accessible within the cis-het world. As a trans man, I think performance is everything, and you put forth a more vulnerable state. This represents power, this represents calmness, it represents tranquility.
I took one more walk around the gallery, enjoying the conversations, the familiar vibe of artists, creatives, and free thinkers hanging out together. And as the evening wound down, I made my way out, back through the crowd, into the night, flush with gratitude for these memories, both old and new, of my time here in Dallas. you.